Ina, hi. Ina, hi. Pagay. Ina, hi. 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 Ina, pagay mo, guy. Hey, how's it going, guys? So for today's video, I will be talking about why I switched from Samsung to a new phone. So first things first, ang masasabi ko sa Samsung sucks. Like, promise. So, ano mo good? I've been a Samsung user for, I think, from grade 8. I think I've been a Samsung user from grade 8 up to grade 11. So it's like grade 9, grade 10, grade 11 for 3 years. So I've been a Samsung user for like almost 3 years or more than 3 years. Ang pinakauna jud na ko nga napansin sa Samsung is that lag jud siya. Nagalag siya as time passes by and nagalag siya as you download some apps. Well, ang problema po sa Samsung, daghan kaayo siya mga built-in na apps nga dili nimo kailangan. For this phone, the Samsung J2 Galaxy Prime, nakita na ninyo siya katong video nga gi-unbox na ako ning phone ani, which is kani siya gihatag sa ako ang parents ako last Christmas 2017. So that's why recently nag-change kog phone. Gihatag lang pud sa ako ani nga phone which is better than Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. So as a vlogger, I think need po nimo ang phone where you can have good quality when vlogging. So here I got the Oppo F1s. I think nagamit na nako ni siya for almost a week. From this phone you can shoot time lapse, as you can see, 1080, I don't know if makita ninyo, and 720p. Whereas my Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime can only shoot at 720p and it sucks. Well, enough about the bad quality nga ako ang ginaingon about my old phone, because the great vlogger of all time, Mr. KZ Neistat, once said, gear doesn't matter.
Let's begin. First, let's talk about gear. Gear doesn't matter. Let me explain.
Which is true. Gear doesn't matter if imong gusto is mag-vlog lang. Because to be honest, I use this phone whenever dili na ko ni dala nga camera, which is I've been using for like, I think 1 year. And before na ko gigamit ang ako ang action cam, kani ang ako ang ginagamit. So, i-test na to, i-differentiate na to ang 4 gears na ako ang ginagamit for vlogging, which is this one, this one, this one, which is gina-charge pa na ko kay lobat pa, and my very new phone, this one, Oppo F1s. So before anything else, let's look at that sunset. So right now I'm using my Panasonic Lumix LX5. So what you see is completely from the Panasonic Lumix LX5, which is ang pinaka first na ako nga vlogging camera to use with. Which is ang pinaka first vlogging camera na ako nga gigamit when I've started YouTube. So let's get on to the next camera, which is ang ako ang second phone. Let's go. So this is my second camera na akong ginagamit, and damn, it looks shit. Well, anyways, wala ko other choice kundi to use this phone because I don't have any other gears to use. So, let's get to my next camera. So, for my third vlogging camera na akong ginagamit, the third gear na akong ginagamit for my vlogging life is this Xiaomi Yi action camera. So, the very first thing that I like about this camera is that it's wide angle lens and its frame rate, which is 60 fps. 60 fps means 60 frames per second. So the higher your frame rate, the better it is for slow motion. So let's get into my very last camera, which is my very new vlogging camera. 1, 2, 3. Hey yo! Today is November 18, which is we have only 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, which means we only have 12 remaining days para mag-December 1 na. Yeah, that's good. I am completely using my new phone, which is the Oppo F1s for vlogging, and this is actually the front cam. I don't know what it looks like in the back camera. So, well, yeah, let's see. Wait, 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Well, actually I'm looking right now at the mirror. Right there, if you can see. Yeah, that mirror. So, para makabalo ko kung unsa ang quality siyang back cam. ASMR. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click the notification bell below for you to be updated on my next upload and next upload. Is it? Sir, unsay mong moto, sir?
Here's my motto, motorcycle.
Then, sir, what you gonna do, sir?
What you gonna do with a big fat bat?